Hello, my dear viewers. I'm here again, Edawiye Olaye, the celebrated truth teller. I want to specifically use this opportunity to talk specifically to our brothers, the men. I want to talk to the men today. I want to tell men some specific things that they need to be reminded of. I know most men already know this, they already know these things, but I want to specifically remind them once again on this important issue, and that is love. Loving your wife. Loving your wife is a very important commandment from God. God gave a commandment and say, men, love your wives as Christ loved the church. Christ loved the church so much and he gave his life for the church. Christ loved the church so much and he gave his life for the church. Please, God specifically gave a commandment to the men. God told men, love your wife, love her, love that woman you took as your wife. Show her all the love that is beyond imagination. God said, this is a commandment. It's a commandment. You must love your wife. God did not qualify the wife to say, love only the perfect wife, love only the good wife, love only the humble wife, love only the nice wife. No, God specifically commanded to say, love your wife. Love your wife. He didn't select the type of wife. But at the end of the day, we all know what that commandment means, which means unconditional love. Unconditional love. God says, love your wife. You must love her. You must not give conditions for loving your wives. We don't have a right, we don't have the power to begin to give conditions on why we need to love our wives. We need to love them naturally, unconditionally, without any condition attached to it, without selflessly. Selflessly, we need to love our wives. We need to pamper them. We need to pet them. We need to give them opportunity to express what they feel. We must be concerned about their emotions. We must be concerned about what they feel. We must be concerned about their pain and their happiness. Please, this is a very important part of life. Loving your wife is a very important part of life. In fact, loving your wife means loving yourself. Our wives are our better halves, which means if you love your wife, it means you are loving yourself. You are indirectly, in fact, directly loving yourself, which means you are investing, you are doing an emotional investment, and that investment would obviously be to your benefit at the end of the day. Please, this is a very important issue. I know to love is difficult. I know to show unconditional love is difficult. But it's a commandment. It's a commandment. We must try to obey God in demonstrating obedience to this commandment. If you love your wife unconditionally, God will bless your home. God will empower you. You will be a friend of God. You will begin to tell God about your wife. Men, pray for your wives. Take time to pray for your wives. Take time to listen to your wives. Take time to tell God about your wives. Don't despise her. Don't abuse her. Don't violently attack her. Don't maltreat her. Don't belittle her. Don't do anything that will bring tears to the eyes of your wives. Don't do anything to her that will make her feel bad. Please, our wives are like our sisters. They are like our daughters. If whatever we feel for our sisters, whatever we feel for our daughters, is all those good wishes, are what we put together and we put them on our wives. Please, loving our wives is a divine commandment. God did not give us the opportunity to abuse our wives, to treat them anyhow that we wish as men. In fact, it is very respectable, it is very honorable when you love your wife. Your wife knows that you love her. It is very, very, it demonstrates how much responsible, how dignified, how honorable, and how important you are to that wife. Every woman needs love. Every woman, every wife appreciates love. Every woman wants to be loved. They enjoy being loved. They enjoy being treated the right way. They enjoy being pampered. They enjoy being listened to. Please, love your wife. Show her love. Show her, buy things for her. Celebrate your wife. Make them feel important. And if we begin to do this, I believe, like I say here on my counseling desk, I believe the women will feel more respected. They will feel more, important in our lives. Place them where they belong in our lives, and they will begin to enjoy this air of being valued, of being respected, of being treated as important in the home, in the marriage, in the family. Please, I'm using this to specifically talk to the brothers, the men. Please do this. Continue to do this. If you've not been doing it, please start doing it. Prove it. Prove it. Prove to love. Prove your wife to be loved. And you will continue to see some difference in her character, in her attitude, in her temperament. You will begin to see it. Show her love. In fact, overshadow all her life with love, and you will begin to see the better part of these women. You begin to see the better part of your wives, of our sisters. Women are naturally good people, but many times they are not given the opportunity to show those virtues inside of them. But I know that the only way to give a wife an opportunity to show all her goodness, all her kindness, all her humility, all her the most important part of her is to love her. Loving her creates the environment for her to express that which is inside of her. I know that if men continue to love their wives, men continue to treat their wives nicely, if men continue to make their wife feel valued and respected, I know there will be a big difference in our marriages, in our relationships, in our homes. I know that if we continue to do this, God will bless us. God will continue to bless the men who love their wives. I say this and I know it is very, very true. Please subscribe to my channel so you will be able to get more of my videos, and you begin to follow me on YouTube. And as we discuss these issues together, all of us will benefit from it abundantly. Thank you so much for your time. Bye-bye.